Welcome to the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. And in this part, we're going to do a little background extraction. We're going to use ABE first, and the next part we'll do DBE, and we'll compare and see which one works better for us. So we've got our image up on the screen. Let's pop that out a little bit more so we can see what we're doing. We're going to do a little ABE. We've already got the icons here. Now, if you notice in my workflow here, some of these icons like ABE and DBE are side by side. Convolution, deconvolution, our masks, HDR. So some of these will be used either in an either or scenario like ABE and DBE. Some of them, like the masks, are there because we need to create both, in this case, a star mask and a range selection mask. So we'll get into that later. But for now, let's open up ABE. And for the most part, these should be defaults. I'm not going to replace the target image for this instance. I am going to discard the background model. And I think the rest of that was pretty much default, except for the box size. Yeah, the box sizes I increased significantly. 10 and 15 from 5 and 5, and the deviation, let's see, the global rejection. Nope, the rest of those look to be about default. I don't want to replace it this time because we are going to be doing a DBE as well. So I want another image to compare it to. And this is pretty straightforward. Once you have all of your settings up here ready, then we're just going to drag it and drop it on there and see what we get. Alright, that has completed, so let's go ahead and stretch it. Aside from our glow that we had, doesn't look too bad. Nice reddish purplish nebula. Stars are starting to show a little color. That's pretty good. So with that, I'm going to send this over to Workspace 3. And that was pretty straightforward. We could move on, but we want to demonstrate the DBE, see if we get any marked improvement, and we'll go from there. So that's going to be it for this part. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you liked it. As always, clear skies. Have a good one.
Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.